Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to recover deleted screen recording on any devices. Maybe your iOS or your Android, this will work for you. So the thing is, imagine you have successfully deleted a video and you want to recover it, or you're even screen recording. What you can do for that one is, as of now, you cannot do anything because you really need to do this step first. So what's that step? Go to your App Store or Play Store and type in deleted video recovery. You want to look for this one. It's called this Diver Photo Recovery. Simply get it, install it, and recover and restore your photos, view photos and recover, restore videos, restore memories, duplicate contacts. This is an entirely different application that works well with iOS and even Android devices. Given that each time you deleted a screen recording, a video, even a photo, it will give you an option and it will store them on this application first before completely deleting it. It's just like a recently deleted on a different daily app. Alright? And that's it. Just get this one and you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.